Season greetings, everybody. Season greetings. How is everybody doing out there today? Guys, what's up, man? What's up? Welcome, my members, my subscribers. Guys, I want to say a huge thank you for everybody that's been supporting me throughout the years. This year in particular, all of the people that say, yo, let's help Tabo 744 Gaming, man. I appreciate you all, man. Y'all know yourself. There's so much people that push out and help your boy, let me tell you. Yeah, guys, you know, we are basically wrapping up a full year of saying COD Mobile, man. Not sponsored, man. Hopefully one day we'll sponsor me. Not to these bots, you know what I'm saying? Guys, let me tell you something, man. It's been a journey, and I really want to let you all know that I appreciate you all, guys. Every one of you. Understand? Thanks for the love, the daily support, the membership, the donos. So many things guys did do for me throughout the years. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it, man. Guys, stay safe. Have a wonderful and awesome Christmas if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, it's all nothing but love. Hope y'all stay safe out there, man. And enjoy the rest of this video. Let's get it.
Changing back, cover me.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones, you kingdom come.
airdrop's coming.
Bueno,
Reloading,
tiene
cover
3
me.
años usted dando vueltas en el mismo lugar.
The airdrop's coming.
Si la cuenta aquí los doy.
Hacker incoming.
Siéntalo. Pinga, siga. No, porque esta pinga es. No,
Teams
no, no.
left. Getting close to victory.